Hello everyone, this is team 14 of CSE department second year. My name is Shanmukhi. My roll number is 5D4.
Hello everyone, this is Kaishal Srivastav and my roll number is 051.
My name is Ina and my roll number is 597.
My name is Deepak and my roll number is 587.
My name is Varun and my roll number is 514. I am Deeshwa Kiran and my roll number is 5.
Our project is about cool wave gas. Problem statement: people usually suffer in summer season due to the heat produced. This mainly affects the people who have to travel long distance in the sun. People find it difficult to come out of their work during summer. Using coolers, ACs during the summer can lead to higher energy bills, especially in the regions with extreme heat. These are the main problems faced by the people.
Let's discuss about the existing solutions. We have Columbia Omni Freeze Zero Cooling Jacket. In this, when the moisture such as sweat comes into contact with the fabric, it triggers a cooling effect, which helps the wearer's body temperatures down. Another, we have phase change material jacket, which is also called as PCM jacket. When the body temperature rises, the PCM within the jacket absorbs the excess heat, causing the material to melt and store the thermal energy.
Now we are going to discuss about the problem solution. The cool wave jacket is advanced technology to efficiently regulate the temperature. It ensures the comfort and performance in various environmental seasons. The design and the superior cooling capability of our jacket is unlimited solution for staying cool and comfortable during the intense activities. We will discuss the coolants and the sensors in which controllers and
The components we have used in our project, we have mainly used DHT11, ESP32 and IR sensor, and moreover that we have used a fan, jumper wires and jacket for connection purpose, and the key components are DHT11, ESP32 and IR sensor, L293D motor drive, and the functionalities of this are DHT11 sensor. The sensor measures temperature and humidity. It is connected to ESP32 microcontroller. ESP32. The functionality of ESP32 is it is a powerful microcontroller with a Wi-Fi and Bluetooth module, and L293D motor drive is a component controls the direction of the fan.
Project, and we have placed the fans at the back of the jacket, and we have placed all the modules inside the pocket. So we have connected the modules like DTH11, motor driver and the ESP32, which will control the fans. And when we on the power bank, actually the fans will start, and we can even monitor the humidity temperature, and we can control the jacket using the mobile. There will be lots of connections here. We use the jumper wires to connect the fans and power bank.
By this, we can consider integrating our heat sinker fan system into a compact box within the jacket pocket, and along with a removable chargeable batteries. It ensures a practical, safe, and portable solution. And this design not only protects the components from external damage, but also offers the easy maintenance, and the portability of the setup allows for seamless mobility, making it a choice for various applications that require real-time environment and monitoring and cooling. This innovative approach provides a reliable, efficient, and user-friendly way to manage and transport electronic connections discreetly and effectively.